In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile platform that can be powerfully adapted to manage complex manufacturing processes, from tracking production lines to overseeing inventory and quality control. By leveraging its customizable boards and intuitive interface, you can streamline your operations, enhance team collaboration, and gain clear visibility into every stage of your manufacturing workflow. We'll walk through setting up a basic project board that you can then expand upon for your specific needs. To begin, once you're logged into your Monday.com account, navigate to the left-hand panel of your screen. You'll want to locate and click on the prominent plus sign icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new boards. Whether you want to start from scratch or, as we'll do today, leverage one of Monday.com's many existing templates, which can save you a significant amount of setup time. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear with several options. From these choices, look for and select Template Center. The Template Center is a comprehensive library of pre-designed boards tailored for a wide variety of industries and use cases. It's an excellent resource for finding a foundation that closely matches your project management requirements, allowing you to quickly get up and running without having to design everything from the ground up. Now that you're in the Template Center, you'll see a search bar at the top or center of the page. In this search bar, type Single Project. While your immediate thought might be to search for manufacturing, using a well-structured project template, even one initially designed for general project management or marketing, can provide a robust and adaptable framework. This particular search helps us find a versatile starting point that we can easily customize for manufacturing tasks. Once your search results populate, you'll likely see several options related to single projects. For our purposes, find and click on the Single Marketing Project template. Don't let the marketing label deter you. This specific template offers a clean, task-oriented structure with essential columns for status, ownership, deadlines, and progress. These are all highly relevant and easily adaptable categories for managing production tasks, tracking quality control initiatives, or overseeing new product development cycles within a manufacturing environment. It's about utilizing the underlying robust structure. Finally, with the Single Marketing Project template selected and its preview displayed, locate and click the Use Template button. This crucial action will instantly create a new board in your Monday.com workspace, pre-populated with the columns and groups from the chosen template. From here, you can immediately rename the board to reflect your manufacturing project, customize column names to fit your specific production stages, add your actual manufacturing tasks, assign team members, and set precise deadlines to perfectly match your production schedule and operational needs. This gives you a ready-to-go framework that you can then tailor to your heart's content.